We can write this, the set of all y elements such that a is less than y is less than b. Such set is called open interval, is called open interval, and denoted as open brackets and separated by the elements with comma ab. So the meaning of this is, if you go on real number line, say this is real number line, and you have got here a, here you have got b. So we are not considering the element a also, we are not considering element b also. We are considering only this portion. We are considering only this portion, not these two. That we call open interval. Means the number a, which is a real number b, which is a real number, and a is smaller to what? B. We are not taking including what? Number a and number b. We are including only in between numbers a and b. When a set is written with such kind of things, that can be reduced in this form also. So we are using intervals. We can use intervals as a substitute of what? Sets. Means suppose I have given a set that 5, 6, 7, 8. See now, example will give now. There is a set having the elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is what somewhat bigger set now. Then I will just make now this as like this: 5, 12, and I'm telling 5 and 12 all belongs to what? Natural number set. Again, now this I can tell what natural number set. Okay, this I can represent in this way also. Closed means I have included 5 also, 12 also. If I'm not including 5 and 12, then the question arises. Let me give the for open interval. Suppose I'm not including 5 and 12. I will tell that there is a set of elements x such that your x is, means I'm telling what, 6 is less than, or else I'll tell what, okay, 4 is less than, x is less than what, 13. This we can write in this sense what, 4 is not included and even 13 is not included. But really what are included now? 4 is less than x means x is greater than 4. Both are meaning same. 4 is less than x means x is greater than 4. Means we will write what? 5, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So here why I used open bracket, you can understand. Right? Means the sets can be represented by the help of intervals that I'm going to explain today. My main intention is that we can represent the whole set in this short way, as in the form of what? Intervals. So what I'm telling, intervals as subsets of what? Real numbers. Real numbers means all numbers will be covered. Natural number, whole numbers, integers, again what? Rational numbers. All these numbers will be covered in what? Real numbers. So I have taken what? Real number set here. Similarly, I can tell what? Saying in another way. Hoping you are understanding. Good morning all you are listening to me. Yeah, yeah. Good, good, good. If you are coming, let them welcome. See, the set can be represented in the shortcut way in the form of intervals, but the intervals means either open brackets or closed brackets. Open brackets means wherever you see open bracket, that number is not included. Example, for 4 also we are keeping open bracket. For 13 also you are keeping open bracket. It means what? 4 is not included, 13 is not included. Only those numbers which are between 4 and 13 I have taken. Means from 4 to 13 I am taking the numbers which are belongs to what? Natural number set. And condition given that natural number x is greater than 4 or 4 is less than x and x is less than 13. It means 4 and 13 are not included. So this we can understand the same here, right? Okay. Now let us see one more. This is what I'm telling, open interval now. Suppose, uh, first one I finished now, second one will take now. Okay, here only I will write, okay? Say there is another set having all the elements of x such that a is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than or equal to b, and it is called closed interval, denoted as close bracket a comma b close bracket complete. Closed big bracket we are using, so we call this as closed. What it means? It means both a and b are included. Suppose you are putting these two numbers on number line. Say I will put a number line here, right? Okay, and now say a is here and b is here. Okay, now I will put a circle. A is also included. I will fill this. B is also included. From here to here, so A is also counted, B also counted, and what in between numbers are also taken. That we call closed. Open means A is not included, B is not included. In between numbers are included, counted. So let's see one example. Same example, So there is a set X such that all elements of X, uh, see that 10 is lesser than or equal to x is lesser than or equal to 15, right? What's the meaning now? This is nothing but what? 10, 11, where I can tell that here, where x belongs to natural number set. So here I can tell that 10 is counted, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All you are able to see now? Yeah. Uh, what it means now? This is nothing but the same I can write in this way. Like this 10, 15. See, now many of the students may confuse. Oh, is it a set? Yes, it is also set. But it is written in the form of what? Intervals. It is written in the form of what? Intervals. So in detail I have written, again in shortcut I have written. So this we can see, this is a rule method. Means you call set builder method. This is what? Listing method, means roster method. We will list all the elements. This is roster method. But the same I can write what in rule method. Rule means set builder method. Okay. Let me give in detail also again, right? Yeah. I hope you all understanding. Understanding? Everybody? Good. Only one yes I have got? Many. Okay. Yes. Now let me give in detail of what the same. As I told now, in set builder method we can represent intervals. We are using as a shortcut way of representing sets. Don't get confused if somebody is writing the things in intervals now. That is also nothing but what? Another form of representing what? Sets in the form of intervals. So the heading we have given intervals as subsets of what? Real number set. Yeah, we'll go in detail again. Okay. Now we both understood what the open intervals and close intervals. Sometimes what happens now? You can see, just note there. Sometimes intervals closed at one end at one end and opened other end. Let me give you example. Say this C, if you see, so for example, I'm giving open interval A comma B, close interval. I can, or else I can give what like this. A, either one side it is open, one side it is closed. This how I can represent now in rule method, that is set method. There is a set of all x such that A is less than x is lesser than or equal to B. See, wherever I write lesser than or equal, that shows what? Closed bracket. Where I am writing only less than, now that is that shows what? Open bracket. You just see now, you can just observe it now, right? Understanding? For closed, I am writing what? Lesser than or equal. Okay. Yeah. Huh. Similarly, you just guess now this how I can write now. Set of all x such that A is lesser than or equal. Why I am writing s less than or equal means it is closed bracket. Wherever I see closed, there I will write what? Lesser than or equal. X is less than B. Why I written here less than B means it is open bracket. So we can see what? Intervals closed at one end and open at other end. The end may be this side or that side. We are not worried about what, at which end it is open, at which end it is closed. We are only thinking that whether one side it is closed and other side is open, or what, or one side is closed or other side is open. Understanding? Okay, wherever we see open, that we'll write less than. Wherever we see closed bracket, that we write what? Lesser than or equal to. Yes? Okay, now let us make some examples on the same. Okay. Okay, I will write some examples. And now examples for what? Subsets of real numbers with notations. Okay. Example, I have given a set A. See, I'm telling this as set A. Understanding now? I'm not using any flower bracket. I'm using only the common brackets. And one more set is B is there. Minus 7 close bracket, minus 7, comma 9 close bracket. Now, already I have given real number set. What I have given now? Real numbers. Understanding now? I need not to give what 3 and 5 belongs to which, 7 and 9 belongs to which. Already I have given real numbers, means real numbers containing natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, negative integers, positive integers, right now? Again, rational, irrational, all together. Only imaginary numbers are not there. Might be already you learned about complex number, then you knew about what? Imaginary numbers. Need not to worry. Okay. Yes, yes, good. See, uh, here I'm asking whether A is subset of B. Guess now. Whether A is subset of B. What do you meaning by this A open bracket minus 3 comma 5? What is the meaning? The meaning is what? No, minus 3 and 5 both are not included when we starting taking the counting of the numbers minus 3 to 5. We will take minus 3 to 5, but we will not include minus 3 and 5. So what the open bracket? Similarly here, closed bracket B, closed bracket 7 minus 7 and 9, closed bracket complete. What it means now? From minus 7 to 9 we are counting, and we are including minus 7 also and 9. As in case of set A, we are not including minus 3 and 5. The reason? Open bracket. But in B, we are including minus 7, 9 as well as the reason closed brackets. Okay. Yeah. Now the question what whether A is a subset of B. I'm asking you. How many? Prithvi will telling that subset. Yes or no? Subset. Yes, yes. Many are telling yes. Why you are telling yes? Because you knew that for any set is said to be subset of another set, that set all elements should be present in that another set. Yes, it is a subset, right now? Okay, why? Because if you take now here in set A, minus 3 is not included, but you can take what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, from so on what? 4. You're not counting what? 5. But in set B, you can see minus 7 is included, right now? Minus 6, minus 5, so on, 0 also, again 1, so on, 9 also we can. You just check now, whatever the elements in A, minus 2, so on, all those are present in this. Not only that, along with that, few more elements are there in the set B. Therefore, by definition, what it tells definition? All elements of set A are present in what? Set B. Therefore, I can tell that set A is a subset of what? Set B. You agree? Not only, even set A is a proper subset and set B is a superset. Okay, in detail. Further you can take, if you want to take further knowledge. Further, A is proper subset of B and B is superset of A. Why it is super means it is having all the elements of A, along with that few more also, so it is super. And A is having all elements in set B also, so what it is? A proper subset for B. Okay. Yes, B is a superset, correct. Okay. Now I hope you understood it, right? No need to explain more and more. Okay, clearly understood now. Intervals we can use in the sense of what? Sets also. Sets we can represent in the form of what? Intervals also, but with exact meaning. The meaning should be accurate. One should what? Get the meaning. In that sense we have to write the intervals. Okay. Okay. I will show what 4 representation of what real numbers on number line whenever they are given in intervals. Okay, let's see. Now I'm telling about what the representation of what real numbers on a real line, okay? Or the representation of intervals on real numbers line, okay? Not only number line, which number line it is? Real numbers line, okay? See, suppose there is a first interval given like this. You only try it now. How I can represent? Second one. I will write like this, A with close bracket. Now I will write third one. If I write A is like this, B is open bracket. Now I'll write like this. So we can represent all these on number line. How we can represent these on number line? See, both are open bracket. Then number line will draw now. Okay. If I tell this as A, this as B now, not included. But this portion is included. AB is not included. Between A, B, whatever there, that we are including. Similarly, if you come to this now, here also A is there and B is there, right now. What happens now here? Closed. So I will include this also, right? Along with this portion from A to B. If you come to this now, how it looks now. Suppose A is here and B is here, right now. A has got closed bracket, so I will fill it. But B is open bracket, I will not fill. I will keep it open as it is. From here to here, I will consider, but I will not consider B. Similarly, here also the same, right? Now A is here and B is here. A is with open bracket, so what? I will not fill the circle. I will keep open the circle, but here I will fill the circle, right? But from here to here, I will count all those numbers, excluding what? A. Means A is not included in this case. Why? Because A is open bracket. Hoping everybody is what? Yes, good, understanding. Yes, yes, everyone is understanding. Okay. Let's see whether my students are very much able to what represent the given things into roster method or into set builder method, whether you are able to recognize or what. Let me write something on the board. Now you just recognize whether I have written in what? Roster method or set builder method. Let me write now. Okay. Now some examples I'm writing. Okay, first one. X, set of all x such that x is a number belongs to real number set, and minus 5 is less than x, but it is lesser than or equal to 7. Is it in set builder form or what in it is roster form? Very good. Only one Prithvi is always answering first. Is it in set builder form or roster? Anirudh, it is not in roster. Okay, now I'll write in roster now. Okay, if it is set builder, write in roster. How you'll write? The given is in set builder form. The roster form is. Let's see how many will write correct answer. I have written in interval form. See, we already learned new thing now. Okay, you are in detail counting. Ah, Shilpa, but good answer. Why? Because new thing we learned now. Oh, the same thing we can what represent in what intervals also, right? Good. Many written in detail, nothing wrong, but we want interval form. Good. Even we can write the roster things in interval form also. So we introduced intervals as subsets of what? Real number set. That clearly we are understanding with what? The real number diagram also, with intervals also, with what? Set Friedel form also. See, we can write set Friedel form into what? Roster form. That roster form we can represent with what? Intervals. Whatever open brackets, closed bracket, open, closed, closed, open. All these are called as what? Intervals. Right? Yes. Understanding? Yeah. Let us take one more example, whether you are able to make it or not. Hmm? Now I'll give one more. This time I'll give what? Example two. Okay. This time I'll give what? The set in this interval form. Write it in set builder form. How you can write that? Mine close bracket minus 3, 5 also close bracket. This is nothing but set of all x such that x belongs to real number set. That is minus 3 is lesser than or equal. Why I'm using lesser than equal means closed bracket. Wherever I see closed, I will write what? Lesser than equal. X is lesser than equal to 5. Again, I am using what? Lesser than is equal to 5. Reason, for 5 also they are using what? Closed bracket. So I am using lesser than. Understanding? X is less than or. Very good. If you don't know how to use symbols, but very good answer. Typing very speed also. Nice, nice. My intention is what you are understanding. That's important. Understanding? Understanding, hopefully. Yeah. Now, let's see some different examples which let me confuse you now, okay? Are you able to answer or no? No, one more I will give, okay? Try this now. Now I will give what? Minus 2, 8, closed. Write it in set builder form. Or both are same. Rule, form or not, set builder. Both are meaning same. How will write? One is open, other is closed. That you can write minus 2 set of all x such that x belongs to real number set. Here minus 2 with what? Open bracket, so I'll use only less than. But 8 with close bracket, so I'll use what? Lesser than equal to 8. How many written the same? They are correct. Yeah. Right. Almost all are good understanding. Very good, very good. Everybody. So then I will ask you, let us understand some other new things. I hope you already well known about what? Power set. Right? Let's see. What is called power set? power set. I will denote usually it as what? P of A, right? If A is a set, okay, I'm telling non-negative set, okay, non-empty set, okay, is a non-empty set, then the set of all subsets of A is called power set. Power set of A, denoted as P of A. Example, if I take A is equal to C and D, okay, then subsets of A, what are those? First one, the set itself a subset, okay, every individual element is a subset, even your null set is a subset of what? All sets. You count 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Therefore, I will write power set of A is equal to the set of or the collection of subsets of all sets. What are those here? C, D, right now? Again, C is there, right? Again, D is there, right? Again, null set also is there, null set. For this, I am not using bracket. Why? Because null set we can write like this or we can write like this. We never write what both together, right? Don't write what it's wrong. Writing in null set like this, it is wrong. It is not null set. Null set is like this or like this. You if you write like this, it is not null set. It is having null as an element in the set. Again, it having one element. Null is a symbol again, right now? Yes. Now we came to that. So what? Even we can understand that power set means the number of elements in a power set is always equal to 2 to the power of n, where n is the elements in the set A, where n is the number of elements in set A. Clear? Yeah. 2 to the power of n. Already we learned it. Simply I'm not making you to get recall. Understanding? Okay, note point. I will repeat now. I will repeat. Suppose you want to find out how many subsets are there in the power set of A. Understanding? You count now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose instead of C, D, if I would I go not E, F, G, C, D, E, F, G. How many elements? 5 elements. Before writing all these, we can judge totally how many possible subsets are there. There's a formula, 2 to the power of n. N means what? Suppose set A have got 5 elements, that is 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means how much it is? 32. Means 32 varieties of subsets are possible to write. Here, how many elements? C and D, totally 2 elements. Then 2 to the power of n means how much? 2. 2 to the power of 2 means what? 4. In this example, before writing the all subsets, one can judge there are how many possible subsets are possible to write for this set. Now there are how many? 1 2 3 4. Before writing only we can guess totally how many possible subsets we can write. Now is it clear to everyone? So we are using the formula 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n is the formula used to find out well in advance totally how many possible numbers of subset can be written for a given set. I have given very small set now. If I would have given out bigger set having what 8 elements in that, then 2 to the power of 8, 64. 64 varieties of subsets can be written for a given a set which having the elements equal to number of elements equal to 8. Suppose number of elements in a set are 10. Then you will write, how will you write? 2 to the power of 10. 2 to the power of 10 means you have to multiply 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 10 times, right? Now, nothing but 32 into 32, right? Very good. 1024 types of varieties of subsets can be written for a given set. That set having totally how many elements? 10 elements. That is 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024 number of subsets of the given set. Okay, that is power set. Okay, we'll go with exercise problems. Before going to exercise problems, let us see what is called universal set. Anybody? Yeah, how do you learned what is called universal set? Hoping you are understanding. And under that, so many sets can be what discussed or considered, or the context in under which we can see many sets which are under the basic set. That basic set is called what? Universal set. Set of natural numbers, set of what? Integers. Collection of all sets, something you're writing. Here, real number set is a universal set for all these sets. If you take natural number set, whole number set, again what? Rational number set, right? All those are the sets discussed under the basic set, that is real number set. And here real number sets what? No, it need not be infinite. It could be finite also. Sometimes we can use what? Finite set. Under that we can use many subsets also. Example, right now we are writing AB. So AB is elements of the set A. There we have written what? Power set of A also. All those sets are what? Subsets of what? That set A. And all those sets are nothing but what? Discussed under what? The set having elements A, B. And here set A is what? Universal set. Universal set is a basic set for those sets which are discussed under in it only, under it only, right? Okay, hoping you are all getting my point. Good, right. No, it's not always, need not be always infinite. It could be finite also, or it may be infinite also, right? Yet many are not coming. So get login quickly. Let me take the next human population. Then you have to discuss some what particular what nations. Example, Asia continent. The human population is what whole world human population it is. Here whole world human population is called as what? Universal set. And under you are thinking what? Asian continent. Then Asian continent is a set. Even European continent is a set. Both are what? Discussed under what? Universal set named as what? Human population, right? The world's human population. Good. Good example. Shravan, I think. Shravan Pai. Please get login quickly. Only 29 came here. Okay, then let me take again. Correct. Asian continent is a subset of what in use. Here you have to clearly mention Asian continent human population set is a subset of what? World human population set. Where world human population set is called as what? Universal set for Asian continent human population. Like this, clearly if you mention, no, it's correct. Number of animal species. Right. Animal species infinite set it is, right? No? Species yet many are there to what yet we have to discover it, and even it is possible by doing some other what experiments we can invent also. Right, so what then you can tell animal species is a universal set, and all what earth animals which are discussed under what the animal species set, and their animal species set is called what? Universal set. Okay, okay. Many are giving good examples. Is a finite set a unit set? Oh, it is depend upon, if you take example, I have given a set A having got the elements 1 to 10. Okay, and in that I will discuss some other sets. Set B is equal to having 5 6. Again, set D is equal to what? 7 only, and null set. All these are subsets of what that. Then the bigger set is itself called as what? Universal set for that. But yes, it may be finite or it may be infinite. But it must be a basic set for those sets which you are discussing. If those sets are bigger than the given set, and which is bigger in that, that will bigger means all sets elements should be there in the bigger set, and even some more. Then you can call the bigger set as a universal set for all those sets. Yeah. Is a finite set universal set? You asked the question, I told that it may be finite or it may be infinite, depend upon the context. Which example we were discussing about what? Human population of the whole world, animal species of the whole world. Just I have given an example. There is a set named as A having the elements 1 2 3 4 up to 10, and under that I will take few more sets named as C D E. C may be having 2 3 the elements, D may be having what? 5 only. Again, F may be having no elements. All these sets elements are there in the what? Set A, and then you can call these are all subsets of set A also. And if you discuss some other things also, then your set A itself called as what? Universal set for null set is a subset of null set. Not possible. Null set, it is not a subset of what itself. Why? Because every set is a subset of itself only, but there is no what elements in the null set. Oh, we have got a question. Let us see in detail. Again, we'll get a question in the exercise. We can get answer. Okay. You can tell that superset for a subset, it is a universal set if only those two are discussed. Apart from more than superset, one more set is superset. It means I'm telling. So what the word I'm using? Basic set. It is the basic for all the sets, and all those sets are discussed under what? Basic set. Then only it is called what? Universal set. Set only for instant example. Okay, I will take some examples. Okay, let's make clear understanding. Nice. We'll go with some problems only. In exercise also such question is asked. Okay. Yeah. Now let me write universal set. Universal set. Universal set, it is a basic set in a particular, particular context, all other sets discussed under it. So that set is called what? Universal set. Note I will write. Okay, many are asking universal set may be finite or infinite. Example I'll give. Real number set is the universal set of natural number set, whole number set, integer set. 91 quinary, that is rational numbers. Here R is infinite. Okay. Which interval should we use for the elements of okay. Now for real number set, set, the interval is C, minus infinity to plus. I'm using open bracket. What is the meaning of this? Why? Because infinity means it is never ending. We don't know which value that is infinity, so we are not including it. Between minus infinity to what? Plus infinity. How many will come? All will count. Okay, good question. Somebody asked, very good question. The interval has shown for the real number set. Minus infinity and plus infinity are not included, but between minus infinity and plus infinity, how many are the numbers? All those are included, leaving or excluding minus infinity and plus infinity. Clear? Yet few or only 28 came back. How to write intervals for complex number set? See, complex numbers we never discussing what now in this set. So in again when you come to what the higher classes now, we can show it. It is separately a separate set. It is complex number. There we can't. Whenever we are discussing, suppose two complex numbers are given, in between how many numbers are going to get them, then we can write the same. As I told now, suppose 10 and 20, the two numbers I have given. I will ask you that only include the numbers between 10 and 20. Then how will you write? You write open bracket for both sides. Open bracket 10, comma 20, open bracket. Suppose for complex number, if I tell what root of minus 2, again root of what minus 10, then in between numbers if I'm asking now, then you can write like this: open bracket minus root of minus 2, comma root of minus 10. There is no what any such. Why? Because it's imaginary number. It is not at all possible to have such numbers of what that we are unable to find out root of minus numbers. So then it is an imaginary number, right? Now, then too we can understand the mathematics is such kind of a tool, even it explain imaginary things also, right? So it is very powerful tool, right? Okay. We'll go for some examples of textbook. A few questions I already got. For those also I can get answer in the textbook examples. Means textbook exercise examples. Let's see. Could be many are not having textbook, they were telling, right? Then I will ask. Could be the 1.3 exercise now. Yes, 1.3. Yes, I think everybody understanding whatever the definitions I explained, it's to their what level of understanding. Yes, yes, good. Well, let me take some examples of the textbook only. Now, exercise 1.3. Okay. So they're asking make correct statements by filling in the symbol as what subset or not subset in the blank spaces. Okay. Use subset or it is not a subset for blank places. Okay, let us use the example. The first one I will give. There is a set having 2, 3, 4. Here, space they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you just guess 2, 3, 4 are present in this 2, 3, 4, right now. That subset definition tells that if a set is said to be subset of another set, that set elements must be present in that other set. Here 2, 3, 4, the elements, these elements are also present here 2, 3, 4. Not only that, few more are there 1 and 5. Therefore, it is a superset of this and this is the proper subset of this. So I will use what? Subset symbol. That is 2, 3, 4 set is a subset of what? The set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Now I will give again one more. Second question. A, B, C. Again here B, C, D. B, C, D. C, A, B, C are here. Whether here A, B, C are there, B is there, C is there, but A is not here in this. What the definition does, all elements of the set should be present in another set. And even here, if these are there here now, C, no, B, C, B, C are here. But here D is there, but D is not here. So it is not a subset of what? This set. Similarly, they're telling that a set is there, set of all x, x is a student of class 11 of your school, and one more set they have given. Again, a set x having all the elements of x such that x student for your school. They're asking your school is not only meant for what 11th class. Your school is having all the classes, all the even 10th, 12th, all there. If there is a student in the 11th class, that I will make separate set. Now I will take your whole school only. Whether your whole school is hosting that student, yes, then that is a subset of what? That. Let's see. Question. Third one. There is a set of all x such that x is a student of class 11 of class 11. Okay, he is of class 11 but he is of your school only. He is of your school only right now. Now there I will keep like this. Now one more setup right here. Again, x is a set of all elements x such that x is a student of your school. Your school. Right. Now, X means any student. If you take X as a student in your school, means anybody may come into the place of X. Means all students are covering this. Might be from 11th standard, 12th standard, 10th, whomsoever he is, he might be. But here only one student we have chosen from class 11. Whether this set is subset of this, certainly. Why? Because he is covered in this set. Good. Even proper subset. Very good answer, right? Now, one more question. X is a circle in the plane. Let's see what you may answer for this. X is a circle in the plane. Set of all x such that x is the is a circle in the plane. We call plane means, suppose board is a plane, samatala in Kannada. Again, one more set they have given. That set also having all set of x such that x is a circle in the same plane, in the same plane, but condition is there, with radius 1 in it, with radius 1 unit. Now see, yes, not a subset. Reason this set having that kind of circle, all those circles are having only radius 1 unit. But here they have given a circle. This circle may have got one radius in it. We don't know which size of circle. It is all type of circles. It could be one radius, 1 unit radius, 2 unit radius, many. But many are not present here. Only one type of circles are present here. If you want to tell a subset of this is subset of this, means all type of circles of this set must be there in this. But here only one type of circle is there, that is having only the radius equal to 1 in it. So this is certainly not a subset of this. Okay. Yes. If the question is given in reverse, then it is a subset. Correct thinking. Perfect. Why? Because all types of circles are present here, and all types of circles means this kind of circles are present here. Then this right side RHS side set is the subset of this. But they're asking from left side to LHS to RHS. They're asking. So here LHS is not a subset of what? RHS. But in reverse it is possible. Correct. Okay. Let's see the next question. Hoping you are getting all the things. So let me take the second main question. Okay. Second main. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. Examine the following. True or false? So first one, the set having the elements A, B is not a subset of BCA. BCA. You check the definition. Definition tells that if elements of the first set, all elements of first set are present in the second set, then first set is subset of second set. But here AB are there, here also AB are there, one more extra is there. Then this set must be a subset of this, but they have given that not. It is false. Correct now? Yes, it is a subset, so what it is false. And definition tells that subset means what? Every element of that LHS set should be there in the RHS set. Yes. You see this one. Are you able to answer it out or what? There are two elements AE in the set, and that set is a subset of a set of all X such that X is a oval. X is a oval in English alphabet. In English alphabet, right? Now you guess. Certainly, A, E, I, O, U are the ovals, and X means it may be A, it may be E, it may be I, it may be O, it may be U. So what all ovals will be covered in this? Only two ovals are came here, A, E, and they are written as this set is subset of this. They are written correct only. We tell that it is true. It is true. Answer is true. According to definition, it is true. They are not asking to justify. They simply asked about examine whether true or false. I'm telling it is true. Good. All are understanding it. They only making judgment, right? You see this one. I will confuse you now. There is a set having element A only. It is a subset. No, it belongs to a set A, B, C. A set having elements A, B, C. And this is what sixth one. Right? No, not sixth one, it's fifth one. Fifth one. Okay. Huh. Now you just answer it out. Why it is false? Set A is not given as here set A. Simply here it is given as what? A only. But they written separately set A, they written, right? No? Set A is not written in this, right? It is false. Why? I will tell now. Answer. False. It may be true when set A, B, C is given as like this. Understanding? See, the A openly, A again here written as. If it is in this case now, it could be correct, but it is not written, so it is false. Right? Suppose they are writing here B along with what? The flower buckets. Then B must be written as this flower bucket only, but B is open now. Or else if they are writing flower bucket A, they written here belongs, instead of belongs, they written what? Subset. Could be correct. Right? But they written what? Belongs. So belongs means same kind of things will be there. Along with flower bucket only, A should be given. Here it is not given, so it is not. Okay? Let's go for the next question. It will be recorded again. You can see as many as possible times if you want to see, right? Okay, we are exceeding time now. The rest of the problems we'll see in the next class. Okay. Okay, might be you are getting late. See you all. Thank you. Thank you. Right. Let us see you in the next class. All you enjoyed the class? All you are enjoying the class, understanding? Good, good, good. Bye.